JioFiber is the best product available at unbeatable price. Hence, all prospects would like to have it. However, they may sometimes have a doubt.
I like JioFiber, but I don't want to pay for installation.
Madam, in that case, I recommend that you go for Entertainment Bonanza 599 rupees for 6-month postpaid plans. You just pay 4,241 rupees and we will waive off both the security deposit and price of the set-top box.
I like JioFiber Entertainment Bonanza plans, but I am not ready to pay this high upfront cost.
Thank you, madam, for letting me know. I understand. In that case, I have something special for you.
Okay, please tell me.
Neither you will need to pay high upfront cost, nor you would need to pay for installation router and set-top box.
Oh, really?
Yes, I will convert this amount into 6 EMIs. So instead of paying the upfront amount 4,241 rupees, just pay 736 rupees per month for the same plan.
Oh, really? That's great.
Okay, madam. I am sending our engineer for installation at 5 p.m.
Okay, please send.
So you saw how Reena closed a sale by using the EMI offer. This offer is available on all the plans as shared here. So here are the Entertainment Bonanza plan as one-time payment options. But now, you have the power of offer these same plans just like monthly payment plans. As EMIs. SBI Bank, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, Standard Chartered Bank. Please check the details for other available option and also read terms and condition carefully. Thank you.